Hello. How are you? This is Els Committee from bmascraftycorner, and today, I am going to. I do a lot of embossing, so it's time to build a new embossing buddy. The one that I had is well, it died. It has gone beyond its life, and so I need to make a new one. So I figured I might as well do it on camera and let you guys see how I do it. And I'm going to get everything together, and I'll be back in just a shake to show you how I make one. All right? Be right back. Okay. So, to do this, we're going to want a nylon stocking, piece of nylon stocking. This is a trouser sock from the from the Dollar Tree, and it's just a lightweight sock. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half, because that's a lot of sock. And then I'm going to put this into the cup, okay, just like that. And then I'm going to add some cornstarch in there. Now, if you don't know what an embossing buddy is, it's designed to get rid of the static and oils on a project. I'm gonna dump my old one in as well. You know, waste not, want not, right? Okay. Then I'm going to very carefully take this off. And I'm going to tie a knot right here. And then I'm going to wrap this back over. And I'm going to tie another knot. Now, if I beat this thing on the paper, you know, the powder's going to come out. But the idea is just to wipe it on the paper, and it gets rid of all of the static and things that are on the paper. So I'm going to get this cleared off, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how this works. So I have 2 pieces of cardstock, and we are going to mark one. This is the one that we're going to use the embossing buddy on, okay? So this is going to be the other one. So this is just a regular piece of cardstock, and this is the one we're going to be using the embossing buddy on, okay? So all I'm going to do is take the embossing buddy, and I'm just going to rub it on the cardstock. And then we're going to stamp just like we normally would. I'm going to stamp on this one. And we're going to stamp on this one. Okay. And then I'm using black here just so that it shows up well on the camera. So all right, so if you look at this one, you'll see there's like little flecks of embossing powder around here. See the little black spots of embossing powder that are all over the place? See if we can get this to focus. Come on, focus. So there's all this little up here. So this is the one that doesn't, you know, that has the embossing buddy on it. And you can see there's nothing, there's none anywhere around it, because it gets rid of all of the static and stuff so that it doesn't stick to it. So let's plug in the embossing tool. Let's heat these suckers up and see what happens. So I'm just going to set these off to the side so I can clean this up real quick, and then I'll get my embossing gun out and we'll take a quick test. Okay. All right. So I have my embossing tool. Okay, so this is the one that we did not use the Embossing Buddy on. And there's embossing powder here, and here, and here, and in here. And then on the other one, okay, I thought I missed a spot right there, but nope, it's embossed. You don't have all of that. The image is cleaner. It's clearer, okay? So, that's what it does. It just gets rid of the static, okay? So that when you put the embossing powder on, you're not sitting there with a little brush trying to brush it away. That's all it does, all right? So, that's how to make one. It's plain and simple, all right? That's all I have today. So, if you're new here and you've done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and your friends can be my friends, my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, and 1 across the country. And starting in January of 2022, I have a absolutely free class. Learn along with me. We're starting off with how to make a journal out of a little golden book. We're going to be moving on to some other books as we go through the series. So until the next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.